Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Salsabila Savila. I'm from 9B. Now I will to make procedure text that is how to make cold and warm drinks Beng-Beng. First, we have to prepare the tools and materials. 2 glasses, 2 sachet of Beng-Beng drink, but I just have 1 sachet. Cold water, hot water,
Got kick.
and ordinary drinking water in the colors. Okay, spoon and scissors. Now is how to make Beng-Beng drink. First, prepare cold water and hot water. You can add ice if you want. Second, put 2 glasses on the table. This and third, cut 2 sachets of Beng-Beng drink and pour 2 cups each. For the first 12, you fill with half a glass of hot water and add no ordinary drinking water so that it is not too hot. Wait a minute. Add no ordinary drinking water so that it's not too hot. For the second glass, you fill with cold water full, and you can only fill half a glass if you want to add ice cups. Mix the cups evenly with a spoon. Okay, if you have Beng-Beng drink, it's ready to drink. Oh, it's a cold drink Beng-Beng, and it's a hot drink Beng-Beng. So delicious.
Got kick.
Delicious. Okay, that's all I have to say. Thanks for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.